Hey everyone, this is Connor from Hyperspell. Hyperspell is an API that equips AI agents with memory across all of their customers' applications. So for example, an AI salesperson could instantly see a lead's history and respond with the right message. Myself and my co-founder started this company because we were building our own AI agents and we realized that getting memory and context from applications was one of the most challenging things, and so we started building the infrastructure to help other teams build this. Now, I'm going to show you our product today. It is a developer product, so what we're going to be showcasing is our sandbox, but obviously all this would be part of your application. So we'll start off, we'll create an app. So we'll create my app here, and then you can select your desired integrations. So we are adding new integrations all the time. For this example, we'll add Slack, Notion, and Google Drive, for example. Now, once we've created that, we can now allow your customers to connect their different data sources to your agent. Now, we have this button that you can embed into your application for connect your accounts. You can see here, once your customers connect this button, they'll be taken to this page. Now, you can customize this page however you want. You can include your branding, your logo. You can even host it on your own domain. What we do here is we allow your customers to connect their applications. Now, one important thing that we do is we inherit all the permissions from every app. So the users of your customers are only going to see the information that they have personally shared. And so, for example, if I share my Slack, now my agent has access to my DMs, but nobody else on my team is going to see data from my DMs. We've found this to be very important for customers. So I'm giving an example here using our own data at Hyperspell. Now, once you do that, and once you connect all this data, you can also add memories directly. So you can say, Bob likes cheese, or whatever other information you're looking for. And this allows you to add in if there's any additional memories you want to create and store. You can also upload files directly. And so you can, let's say you wanted to upload a PDF, for example. Here's one of our recent customer order forms. You can also upload PDFs, and we'll give you that ability in your application. Now, what happens is the agent now has access to all of that data. So you can see here, we pulled in all the information from Google Drive. And so all those different documents we're now processing, we're indexing, we're converting it into a universal format that we can now easily query. So you can see an example here. It makes it all queryable. And then you can do the same thing across Notion. You can do the same thing across Slack. Every Slack channel is now here as a memory. And then it also includes the new things that we just uploaded. So once you do that, now you can allow your agents to query all of that data. And so you can select the data sources within here. You could say, I want Notion, I want Slack, I want Drive, and type in a query, what does Hyperspell do? And then what we will do is we'll return all the underlying information behind all of those. And if you just want the documents, we can give you an answer in under 300 milliseconds. If you also want an answer, so here's the answer, we can also send you that as well, and that takes slightly longer. So you can see here we have Notion, we have Google Drive. These were the top sources returned, but you could have examples from Slack and all these other tools. So that is what we do. We are Hyperspell. We allow you to query whatever information you need and get it back for your AI agents. We built this to empower builders like you, and we're really excited to get other folks on board.